Yeah. It's good.
First we went around in 3 or 4 places without filming actually. We were planning to film then, but we went around about 3 or 4 places asking around for prices. And you have sleeping bags, down sleeping bags? Yeah.
You want to buy or rent?
We are still thinking. If we get the price right...
How many days you
we are planning for 21 days.
21 days. So in rent also cheaper.
Yeah.
Buy the down one is little bit expensive.
Yeah.
Rent 150 per day. This one is good.
And how much the trekking poles?
Trekking poles different price. And this one is little bit expensive. And this one 1200 per pair. I give you very good price.
Yeah.
We discussing price.
If we rent the bag, can we get
Sleeping bag, yeah.
sleeping bag,
Yeah.
$1 per day?
Not possible in one.
No. Can you do like 2 jackets, the ultralight and the mix, and the trekking poles, 7,000, and then we rent the bag, rent the down bag.
Yeah.
So can you do like 7,000 the 2
Not
jackets?
possible in 7,000.
Well, if we pay 7,500, can we then rent like
Yeah.
$1 per day?
Okay.
Okay.
1,700.
11,700.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Emily's jacket is ultralight down, and mine is mixed with silicone and down. We took sleeping bags for renting. We rent them like for 3 weeks, and we also got those poles.
Yeah, trekking poles.
Here-
Total cost of 11,700 rupees. So not too bad. Next thing we need to get for the trek is
Gloves for me.
and
what? Ah, yeah.
medicine.
We need medicines for altitude sickness and permits for trekking.
Yeah, Tim's and A-cap.
Yeah.
So look for this sign. Well, it was quite easy to get the permits. Altogether it was 5,000 per person, so not that, well, it's quite a bit of money, but not too bad.
You need
And-
to have 4 passport photos
Yeah, and
total.
if you don't have any passport photos for some reason, there was a guy who
Photographer.
took passport photos.
And your insurance number if you have a travel insurance. I hope you do. Nothing more to say? Food for trek. There's a lot of peanut butter. Holy crap. But how much is in there?
500 grams. Oatmeal is the budget way to go. Let's continue.
So we are leaving for trekking tomorrow, and now we are packing up our gears. And it's a little bit messy in here.
This here is everything I need to fit in this backpack. Trekking pole, some underwear, socks, t-shirts, hoodies, trousers, beanie, mummy liner for inside the sleeping bag, rainproof jacket and trousers, down jacket, medicine, hygienic products, towel, camera gear here, extra batteries, computer, playing cards, spoon, diarrhea medicine of course, peanut butter, oatmeal, coffee, camelback, and gum for chewing on the trails. Everything that needs to be packed in cubes or bags are now packed in cubes or bags. Next is to stuff this one. Let's go. So now everything is pretty much where they should be. Woo. So tomorrow we start the trek.
So yeah, my backpack is still unpacked. But yeah, so if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Did I say it right? Subscribe and comment down below. And let's see you on the next